If you're watching this video, you're either ready to join Isagenix or you've been thinking about it, and either way, you're just not really sure where to begin. Well, hopefully by the end of this video, I will have answered some of your questions. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rachael Clark, and I help women take their lives back with natural solutions. And for those that are wanting to build an additional income, I also help them with that. So let's dive into how to get started with Isagenix. Well, first of all, everyone starts out as a customer. And what I love about this is that everybody starts out with a free wholesale account. There's no monthly orders. Yes, they have some great systems that you can start out with, but you don't have to start with that. You could just start with, let's say, their great meal replacement shakes, and then you just go in and place the orders when you need more product. So again, everyone starts out as a customer with a free wholesale account. Now, let's say that you are loving the products, you're loving the results that you're getting, you have people asking questions, and then you have a couple people that want to join you on your journey. Well, it's so simple. All you need to do is upgrade to an associate for a small fee, and then this qualifies you to earn bonuses, commission, free product. So when you have those two people that are ready to join you and are excited, that's all you have to do. It's that simple. Now, being an associate does require that you are active with the company each month. But here's the thing. You're already loving the products. You're continuing with the products. So you would be ordering each month, whether you were doing the business or just staying a customer. Now, whether you are wanting to be just a customer or build the business, it's important to join with a leader that you know is going to help you, that is going to guide you, that is going to mentor you, that has a system, a duplicatable system that you feel comfortable with using. So let me just take a moment and tell you about what my team is doing. Last year, we started with a 9-day shred, which has been extremely successful. So here's how that works, is that people that are looking to lose weight, wanting to gain energy, wanting to improve their eating habits, they join us with one of the kits. And we put them in a private Facebook group, and during the shred, we are loving on them. We are encouraging them. We are educating them. We're sharing recipes. And this has grown into something bigger than any of us ever dreamed possible, because what happens is that most of us, we are not getting that encouragement and support, and we are trying to do things on our own. And this is so much better when you are doing it with a group of people. And we are live in there every single night and doing giveaways. So people are getting healthy, they're loving their results, and people are winning some free product. So it's been a great community to be a part of. And we do these shreds twice per month. And what happens is that people often start with their first shred and then they continue on. And then what happens is that they come in as a customer, they're loving all of this, they have people asking questions, they want to share it with others, and then when they have a couple people that want to join them, then they upgrade to an associate, and then they get their friends into the 9-day shred, and it just goes from there. And as I said, this has been an amazing thing to be a part of, and people are loving it. And people are really getting involved and loving on each other. And it's just a great supportive community. Like I said, for those that are wanting to remain customers, and for those that are loving the products and want to be able to share it with others. So I hope that you found this information valuable. I hope that I answered some of your questions, and I will drop some information below that you can check out. And if you are, if you would like to reach out to me, if you have questions, or if you would like to join and then get involved with the 9-day shred, I will leave my email address down below so you can contact me directly, and I will be happy to help you get started or answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.